everyone, welcome back into this video. Making money online is a part of side hustle nowadays and is very important things to do if you want to be doing side hustle jobs that can help you to be having other side earnings beside your work. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be making money on Roblox by doing different jobs on this platform. When we talk about Roblox, that is a platform. You can see if we type, for instance, Roblox, you are going to be seeing that it's a game platforms or game creation platforms. You see that, which is also a game platform or game creation platform system, which is developed by Roblox corporations, and it allows users to program and play games created by themselves or other users. Now you can be asking yourself, how can you be making money by Roblox games? So if you come here, you can see there are different games you can be able to do, depends on what you need to do. For instance, if I click on Roblox.com, you see I'm going to be visiting the platform directly, and they are requesting me to sign up to the platform to be able to access different activities and different games that I can be able to use, and different creation tools that I can be able to use to create my games. Also, you can see there is a PlayStation, and if I click on the PlayStation, I'm gonna be getting to where I can be able to explore different games. For instance, if I click on this one, PS4, I'm gonna be going to two games, or you can see there is a controllers. So for instance, controllers, headset, it all depends on what you're going to be using. You see I have all features that I'm gonna be using here. Now you can scroll down and see now which games you're going to play. So it's up to you to decide. So after this, now you can be asking yourself, how are you going to be making money on this platform? So Roblox is not only there to help you now be able to play games or to create games there. So what you can be doing again is to be coming to the career.roblox.com. If you come and type career.roblox.com, career.roblox.com, you can see you're going to be seeing different jobs that you can be able to make. For instance, if I type there, you see there are a lot of jobs. You see now these are careers, and you can see work at Roblox. If I click on work at Roblox, that is where I'm gonna be also seeing different jobs that I can be selecting the one which is matching my skills. And also after this, you can see they are also telling me to click on view all jobs. I have to click on this one. Once I click on view all jobs, I'm gonna be seeing different jobs which are listed on the platform. So what you need to do, you need to be clicking on this. You see they are bringing different jobs, and I have to type the one I want to be doing. For instance, I have to search the keywords. If I search for social media marketing or social media manager, so what I need to do, I'm gonna be clicking on social media manager. So if I click on it, I'm gonna be receiving different jobs that are related to my jobs, if there is one. So for instance, you see this is a software engineer, but also I don't see the one. So what you need to do, you need to scroll down. For instance, you can see there are a lot of jobs. If I click here, you can be choosing by employment categories, can be choosing by discipline, can be choosing by employment type, either internships, either jobs. You can see they are wanting software engineer intern. So you can be choosing by full-time jobs or contract-based jobs. So it all depends on what you want, what you can be filtering the one. So now let me search for view or jobs, and after this I can be able to type for social media. Yes, after typing social media, I have to wait. Okay, social media. Okay, social marketing manager. Okay, now I have to click on social marketing manager and see if I'm gonna be getting the jobs that I'm wanting. So I have to click on this one. Then I search for it. After this, you can see I'm gonna be getting the given job, which social marketing manager. I can be getting the job which I can be also able to do. So what you need to do, you need to check out this one. You can see 5 years plus of experience creating, managing brand, social content, tape understanding of. Now you need to be reading all these conditions and see which ones you are meeting and which conditions you are meeting, so that you can be able to come and also be filling this position. After this, you can be now come here. You can see at Roblox headquarters, Roblox admin branch. So you can see the annual salary, which is around 117.29 USD up to this one. So it's up to you to choose which work you have able to do, or see the mode of the work you're going to be doing. You can see there are different mode of jobs or mode of work you will be doing here. And also what you need to do is to select the one you see which is going to be. You can see, for instance, copywriter. If you are a copywriter, you can be choosing this one, and you read the requirements for this job. After this, you have to click on apply. You can see there is job ID. So once you click on apply, you can be going back and see the description. So what you need to do, you need to submit all your details, including your first name, last name. There is email address, there is phone number, location, city where you are located. Now you need to attach your resume or from Dropbox. You can also attach cover letter. After that, you have to be also setting a regular name. Then after, you have to be attaching the LinkedIn profile. If you have a website also, you have to put it there so that they can be having more information about you. So now this must be 18 years plus of age. Now you need to be also review the Roblox job applicant privacy. Now I acknowledge that you have read it. Will you now on the future require sponsorship for authorization? You need to be also filling all this information. Once you are done, now you have to submit your application. So you have to wait for the application. So this is total for this platform. Also, you can be able to come to careers and also be able to explore different things. Besides creating games or beside playing games, you see that you can be getting other opportunities that can be helping you, including applying different jobs, and including also for instance, if you see every employee of Roblox innovations, including items. Each year, hundreds of students in our program tackle some of the greatest challenges in your technology. So you need to be able to also explore different things. You can see, reimagine, build the future of your career. So it's all depends on you, what you want. But also, if you want full-time roles, internships or are available. For instance, if you click on internships, you can see all these are internships they are bringing, because you have to select here and see the internships available. And also, it depends on what you need. You can be customizing or filtering, depends on what you are going to be wanting on the Roblox. So also, if you want to be playing games, it's okay. You can be going to be playing games. But also, if you want to be exploring different jobs that are here, that are listed here, it's up to you. If you have social media experience and marketing roles, that is going to be helping you to be able to apply to Roblox and be able to make money online. You can be choosing either to be working remotely, or depends on the job role you have applied. You have to check the qualifications and requirements before you choose to apply for the given position. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel TV. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section.